Arts and architectures of Nepal. Nepal is a beautiful country rich in customs, traditions and natural as well as cultural heritages. Let's learn some of them here. Basantapur Darbari Square or Hanuman Doka. It is located at the heart of Kathmandu city, which is the capital city of Nepal. This place consists of old temples, palaces, spectacular images of gods, goddesses, kings and other unique creation. As Nepal is a country of cultural diversity, we find a lot of architectures carrying cultural and religious values here at Hanuman Doka. The artistic doors, windows, corridors and passages, the multilingual inscriptions here was installed at the reign of King Pratap Malla. It is a place of major tourist attraction. This site is registered in World Heritage Site by UNESCO. However, the earthquake of 2015 caused a lot of demolition in this place, which is being rebuilt in the past and present days. Patan Darbari Square, another remarkable site with temples, shrine chowks, ponds, taps and other significant monuments for their antique crafts, exquisite carvings and drawings are situated in the center of Patan city. The Krishna Mandir, built in Sikha style, tops the popularity of temples and shrines of Patan. It is also registered at World Heritage Site. Bhaktapur Darbari Square, an excellent example of cultural and ancient crafts, drawings and handicrafts, is located on the eastern part of the Kathmandu Valley. The Golden Gate, one of the most beautifully and richly carved specimen of its kind in the entire world, is the main entrance to the courtyard of this place, having beautiful monuments, magnificent statues, temples and ponds. It is also registered at World Heritage Site and is a major tourist attraction. Pashupatinath temple site is considered as one of the holiest spots for Hindus all over the world. The two-storied style pagoda style temple with golden roof enshrining the most famous and venerated Shivalaya is the main attraction of this area. Hindus all over the world come here to worship. Kapan Fulbari Gumba is a beautiful monastery located on the top of a hill in South Kathmandu. It reflects ancient cultures of Buddhism. It is a quiet place for meditation and getting fresh air with a gorgeous environment. The Bodhanath Stupa site consists of colossal Buddhist Chaitya, the biggest Lamaist temple in the whole world. It was built around 5th century. The Chaitya has all the seeing eyes of Buddha just above the dome, watching all four directions. It is enlisted in World Heritage Site as well. Swayambhunath Stupa, the main Chaitya of Swayambhunath, is supposed to be 2000 years old and it is one of the world's most pious Buddhist Chaityas. The Swayambhunath site also maintains a religious tolerance by concealing Manjushri, the goddess of wisdom, to Buddhist and Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, to Hindu in the same temple. This site is also enlisted in the World Heritage Site list by UNESCO. Thank you for watching.